Meta is reportedly planning to launch a standalone app for its artificial intelligence assistant, Meta AI, in a bid to better compete with AI-powered chatbots such as ChatGPT and Gemini. According to Consumer News and Business Channel, Meta could launch a standalone Meta AI app as soon as the company's next fiscal quarter, April to June. Currently, Meta AI is only available to users via a website and Meta's family of apps, including Facebook and WhatsApp. Moreover, Meta plans to check a paid subscription service for Meta AI that'll add unspecified capabilities to the assistant. Meta AI, which has over 700 million active monthly users, is a part of Meta's multi-pronged strategy to become a dominant force in the AI space. The company has also released open models like Llama, aiming that it could foster an ecosystem rivaling that of OpenAI's. Meta plans to host its first ever AI-focused developer conference, LlamaCon, in late April. Recently, Meta reported surging profits and revenue for 2024, announcing ambitious plans to expand its AI infrastructure in the year ahead. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg stated, "I expect this is going to be the year when a highly intelligent and personalized AI assistant reaches more than 1 billion people, and I expect Meta AI to be that leading assistant."